Struggling to lose weight despite countless diet plans and hours in the gym? Intermittent fasting might be the game changer you've been looking for. But here's the twist. Many beginners make simple mistakes that block real progress. In this guide, we'll explore how intermittent fasting works, why it's so effective, and how you can adapt it for lasting success. What is intermittent fasting? Intermittent fasting, often called IF, focuses on when you eat rather than what you eat. Instead of grazing on food from morning until night, you alternate between periods of eating and fasting. This simple shift can reduce insulin levels, promote fat burning, and help regulate hormones tied to weight management. Just a polite reminder that this video is for educational purposes only, and that you should always consult your doctor before utilizing any natural cures. Why does it work? The science is surprisingly straightforward. When you consume food, your body uses glucose from that meal for energy, storing any excess as fat. Once you go without eating for a sufficient span, insulin levels drop, and your body switches to burning stored fat for fuel. Research also shows that fasting can boost human growth hormone, HGH, which helps preserve muscle and supports a healthy metabolism. For many people, simply adjusting meal timing can curb cravings, stabilize energy, and naturally reduce calorie intake. By limiting your eating window, you're less likely to snack all day, which contributes to a more sustainable approach to weight loss. Different intermittent fasting methods. Number 1. 16:8 method. How it works: fast for 16 hours, eat during an 8-hour window. Beginner-friendly. Tip: skip breakfast or finish dinner early. Why it's popular: offers flexibility without drastically changing your diet, though choosing healthy, nutrient-dense foods is best. Number 2. 5-2 diet. How it works: eat normally for 5 days each week. On 2 non-consecutive days, cut calories to about 500 to 600. Number 3. Alternate day fasting. How it works: fast every other day or significantly limit calories on fasting days. Who it's for: people seeking quicker results and willing to handle a more challenging schedule. No matter which method you choose, consistency is crucial. Pick the plan that best fits your routine before attempting more advanced variations. If you find this content beneficial, kindly like, subscribe, and enable notifications for ongoing nutrition updates. And I'll put some links down below in the video description. Coming back now to major benefits of intermittent fasting. Number 1. Faster fat burning. Lower insulin levels allow your body to tap into stored fat for energy. Number 2. Muscle preservation. Increased HGH can help maintain lean mass while you lose fat. Number 3. Improved metabolism. Regulated blood sugar and lower inflammation lead to better metabolic health. Number 4. Enhanced cellular repair. Fasting triggers autophagy, a process that clears out damaged cells and encourages cellular renewal. Number 5. Brain boost. Some studies suggest sharper cognitive function and reduced risk of certain neurological issues. For best results, combine your fasting routine with balanced meals. Focus on whole foods, lean proteins, healthy fats, and fiber-rich vegetables to stay energized and support overall health. Staying hydrated. What can you drink while fasting? During your fasting periods, it's vital to stick to zero-calorie or non-insulin spiking drinks that won't disrupt your fast. Good choices include water. Whether plain or sparkling, it's essential for preventing dehydration, headaches, and fatigue. Black coffee. A morning lifesaver for some, just skip the cream, milk, and sugar. Unsweetened tea. Green, black, and herbal teas offer antioxidants without adding calories. Avoid sugary drinks like soda, fruit juices, or energy drinks. Even artificial sweeteners can sometimes interfere with fasting for sensitive individuals. How to break your fast without undoing your progress. The first meal after a fast sets the tone for the rest of your day. A large, sugary meal can cause an insulin spike and lead to cravings. Instead, aim for balance. Protein, eggs, chicken, fish, or Greek yogurt help stabilize blood sugar and support muscle maintenance. Healthy fats, avocados, olive oil, nuts, and seeds provide essential nutrients and help you feel full longer. Fiber-rich vegetables, leafy greens, broccoli, peppers, or zucchini aid digestion and keep hunger at bay. Minimize processed carbs, such as white bread or sugary cereals, when breaking a fast. These can send insulin levels soaring and ramp up hunger later on. Who should avoid intermittent fasting? While many people can benefit from IF, it's not suitable for everyone. Consider talking to a healthcare professional if you are pregnant or breastfeeding, nutrient demands are higher, and fasting can compromise consistent intake. Have diabetes or blood sugar issues. Fasting can disrupt glucose control without medical supervision. Struggle with an eating disorder. Restrictive eating windows may trigger harmful behaviors. Take certain medications. Some prescriptions require regular meals to work effectively. Common mistakes that could derail your progress. Overeating in your eating window. A shortened time frame won't help if you're taking in excess calories or poor quality foods. Poor hydration. Inadequate water intake can lead to headaches, fatigue, and confusion with hunger signals. Breaking your fast with high sugar foods. Refined carbs can cause an immediate insulin spike, zapping your energy. Expecting instant results. Although some people notice rapid changes, most need time to adapt. Sustainable weight loss and improved health come from consistency and a balanced diet. How long until you see results? Week 1. You might feel extra hungry or tired as your body adjusts, but you could also notice less bloating and slightly better energy once you adapt. Weeks 2 to 3. Your body becomes more efficient at burning stored fat, and hunger pangs often subside. Visible weight loss may start appearing around this time. 1 month. Noticeable shifts in body composition, increased energy, and better appetite control are common. 3 months plus. Deeper metabolic improvements kick in, including enhanced insulin sensitivity and sustained fat loss. Many people also report greater mental clarity. Top tips for sticking to your fasting schedule. Number 1. Start gradually. If 16 hours feels overwhelming, begin with 12-hour fasts and gradually extend them. Number 2. Stay busy. Distract yourself with work or hobbies during fasting hours. Boredom often amplifies hunger. Number 3. Pair with healthy habits. Combine IF with exercise, good sleep, and stress management for optimal benefits. Number 4. Keep a food journal. Tracking meals and moods helps pinpoint any habits that might be sabotaging your progress. Intermittent fasting has gained traction for a reason. It simplifies your routine, helps prevent overeating, and trains your body to burn stored fat. Whether you choose 16 to 8, 5 to 2, or alternate day fasting, success hinges on consistency, patience, and balance. Stay hydrated, pick nutrient-packed meals, and allow yourself enough time to adjust. If you're as passionate about nutrition and its benefits as I am, don't miss out. Tap the screen here to embark on a journey through the world of nutrition and discover how it can enhance your health and well-being. Thank you for joining us on this journey to intermittent fasting for beginners. Embrace health. Celebrate life.